going to show you how to make a cool little crossbow out of a pop cap and some popsicle sticks. To get a cap, you got to put holes in the sides. The easiest way to do it is to take a knife and a lighter and melt through the plastic. And go ahead and melt through it, buddy. We got one side left. We already did 3. We're going to finish melting through right here. Finish melting through it. Once you get melted through all the way, you get it widened enough. We're going to take 2 popsicle sticks and we're going to shove through it. This is our first step in making a crossbow. We couldn't find another pop cap, so we used a Gatorade cap this time. Alright, after you get your holes done, you just shove your popsicle sticks in. It's a little rough to push them, but if you push hard enough, they'll go through. You want to get one directly in the middle with this back one. You only want it to come through a little bit. Next step, you want to heat up a drill bit or something. Want to melt a hole right here. You want to melt a hole back here too. That's for your toothpick or your skewer or whatever you want to use. You can use a cotton swab or a Q-tip. Catch it on fire and make little fire arrows. But you put a hole there and a hole there. I broke a skewer in half. I had some toothpicks. I used them all up. You make sure it'll fit through. You want to loosen that hole up some so it slides through a lot easier. Once you get that, we'll come back to the rubber band in a second. It's time to put a rubber band on it. Keep in mind, if you use a Gatorade cap, you want to keep this flat right here, because if it goes up, it'll get in the way of your arrow. So take it, wrap it once around there, wrap it once around there, and bring it up the back, and come back up front and flatten this out. There you go. Might have to go back around here. There we go. Get your arrow. And boom. Boom. I like to use these little binder clips. I like to take the rubber band, and what I do is I drill a little hole in here and I'll put the rubber band in there, flip it around. I'll show you another one. Looks like this. When you put a binder clip on it, put a little hole in there, pull it back. This one is made with a Coke cap. This one's made with a Gatorade cap. I like these better. It seems easier because it's a little thicker this way. The rubber band kind of gets in the way, and you have to keep making it go flat right there. But besides that, you could add like take a piece of a Coke can, and put your arrow up here if you wanted to. If you put another popsicle stick or something, you can modify this 100 ways.